G'day, MacDaddy, Camper Trailering. Today we've come to the Khancoban Lakeside Caravan Park after spending a glorious week up in the G-High area. After spending time at free camps, we sometimes drop into caravan parks to do the washing, recharge all our cameras, batteries, make sure everything is a-okay. It's also a time when we start to work on our videos and using caravan park Wi-Fi's normally upload videos. This is probably the most expensive caravan park that I've been to. 3 days, 3 people, $173.74 for a powered site. There is a fenced playground area which is kept nice and clean, maintained well. Even though this is an Anzac Day long weekend, normally a very busy time, this area was fairly quiet with plenty of caravan spaces available. G-High free camps that we left this morning had quite a lot of campers, all well spaced. The kitchen amenities hub with its stainless steel benches, 3 cooktops with range hoods, the fridge, it's a large eating area, tables, and there's also quite a lot of photos on the snowy scheme up on the wall there, which are quite interesting. Having paid a premium price for the powered site, I find it a bit much to also have to pay to use the barbecues outside the kitchen hub. The toilet amenities were quite clean and presentable. However, there was an issue with a lot of steam through a lack of ventilation. The disabled shower and toilet facilities are good. As is the case in all laundry facilities, they are coin in the slot machine. Whilst the caravan park has nice scenic views, access to the waterfront is poor. There is limited access for kayaks to the lake. We did launch, but it was like a 200-metre walk through the grass and scrub. If you want to swim, you can go to the local swimming pool. The boat ramp area provides a place to launch your boat, have a picnic, spot of fishing, bit of swimming, whatever takes your fancy. If you want a good coffee and a great meal, pop into the Pickled Parrot Providore. It's got a great atmosphere. The staff there are friendly and helpful, and there's also groceries. At the rear of the store there's some information on the snow hydro scheme. It's quite a wealth of information there, so pop down and have a look at that. These television screens are live feeds showing the electric production in the various parts of the snowy hydro scheme and usage to other states. The toilet facilities in this shopping complex are very good. They're clean and well maintained. These are the costs for 3 days camping in the Khancoban area. I prefer to stay in the national park campsites. I've got a concession pass, so it only cost me $6. So $167 I can put towards my fuel costs or a pub meal. Choice is yours. For more information on the national park campsites, or indeed any other free and low-cost campsite, visit our playlist on free camping and low-cost camping sites.